What up, guys? Today, as y'all can see, I'm gonna go get this motherfucking cannon installed, this high-power HKS exhaust. I gotta get it cut and welded onto this. Throw that one away. Nah, I don't even know what I'm doing with that. Anyway, let's take this shit to go get welded. And right now, I got my coilover I'm gonna put on. That's for a different video. But anyways, I'll catch you in a bit. So right now, I'm on the way to go get it welded at Extreme Performance Mufflers. I've never really heard of them until my brother told me about them. He said they're like one of the best people, and so when I checked the Google reviews right now, I was trying to find their Instagram, but I couldn't find it. I saw them on Google. All the reviews were 5 stars except for one, which is a good sign. That was probably just like a little guy bitching, and if anything, should come out fine. Let's see. Big ass fucking, looks like a cannon. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. That was right there. I just welded on. So it's not gonna get the full actual sound, sadly. Anyways, let's go see what it sounds like. It's not that bad, and it was HKS. I just got it installed for like $80 from the Extreme Performance, and like I just told you, I'll shout them out again just in case. And that's it for right now. Check up on some new videos later.